Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by capturing the color precisely so you can invert it reliably. You must get the value in RGB or convert HEX to RGB. This gives 3 components to work with. Once you have R, G, and B from 0 to 255, you're ready to compute. Make sure to record each channel separately because the inversion is applied per channel. If you prefer code, open a quick REPL or text editor now and paste the RGB values into variables to avoid manual arithmetic errors. Next, perform the actual inversion. Subtract each channel from 255. That gives the inverted R, G, and B. For example, if R is 60, inverted R becomes 195. Once done, convert the 3 inverted numbers back to HEX by formatting each as 2 hex digits, or keep RGB for CSS and code. Also, check the result visually or with a contrast tool. Some images need gamma-aware inversion, so if it looks off, consider linearizing before inverting to preserve perceived brightness. Finally, apply the inverted color where needed. Paste the HEX into your stylus sheet, replace pixel values in an image editor, or update the color variables in your app. If the inverted color seems dull or too bright, make sure you didn't ignore gamma. Linearize sRGB, invert, then re-encode to sRGB. If the inversion breaks readability, adjust luminance or use contrast tools to meet accessibility ratios. One key troubleshooting tip: when colors appear incorrect, recheck input format, HEX versus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.